making Jello cookies.
Yes, we found a recipe, and out of the respect of the source, we're not going to give you exact measurements, but the link below will be where you can find the recipe. If you have trouble finding it, I'll be glad to help you get it. But it's basically a sugar cookie recipe and a little less sugar, where you add a box of Jello to it, and we're going to make a green batch and a red batch, and it's just a cute twist on some sugar cookies that'll be fun for Christmas time.
Let's get cooking. The first thing you need to do is put the dry ingredients in, which is flour, salt, and baking powder. Let's move it to the side. Next step to cream together is gelatin, eggs, sugar, and oil. Next you added egg and vanilla. Next you have some wet ingredients and some dry ingredients. Let's mix them up. Our green batch is ready. Now we're ready to make the red batch. Don't forget to wash your beaters before the other batch. Both batches are ready. Now it's time to scoop it up. Before we put them in the oven, we're going to flatten them out with a cup dipped in sugar. Cookies are ready for the oven, 400 degrees, 6 to 8 minutes.
All right, friends, that is a wrap on episode 5 of my 12 Days of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this little afternoon in the kitchen with us. So be sure and check out the link below so you can print the recipe and choose whatever flavor Jello cookies that you'll enjoy this season. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
We're going to be making Jello.
Hey, everybody, welcome to Well, no. Hey, everybody, welcome to my mommy's kitchen.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to